Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the overlay so you can close it properly. Press Win+G and wait for the widgets to appear. Once visible, move directly to the toolbar and click the gear icon to open settings so you can change behavior. If nothing opens, make sure you're focused on the game window and that game bar shortcuts haven't been remapped. This prevents wasted steps. Next, we'll change the setting to stop it from appearing automatically. Now, inside Settings, locate the toggle labeled Record Game Clips, Screenshots, and Broadcast, and switch it off to prevent automatic overlays during games. Once that's done, also uncheck the option to open Game Bar with a controller button if you use gamepads, because controllers can trigger the overlay unexpectedly. After turning off those toggles, double-check the main shortcut option and then close settings so changes take effect immediately. This stops most auto-launch paths. If the overlay is still visible, force it to close. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S, locate Xbox Game Bar or Game Bar. EXE and choose End Task to remove it immediately. Once closed, restart Windows Explorer or reboot to clear lingering hooks and make sure changes stick. If the overlay returns, go to Windows Settings, Gaming, and turn off Game Bar entirely. That fully disables the feature. Troubleshooting tip: update Windows and GPU driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.